Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that is genuinely heartwarming and life-changing for so many families: the incredible role of therapy dogs in supporting children on the autism spectrum. Specifically focusing on how these amazing animals help mitigate those stressful, overwhelming meltdowns. If you're a parent, caregiver, or just someone interested in the power of the human-animal bond, you know that managing autistic meltdowns, those intense periods of distress, often triggered by sensory overload or communication difficulties, can be one of the most challenging aspects of daily life. Meltdowns are not temper tantrums. They are involuntary responses to feeling completely overwhelmed. They undergo rigorous training designed to address the specific needs of an autistic child. 2. The core of their effectiveness lies in their ability to provide instant, unwavering sensory and emotional regulation. So, how exactly does a therapy dog stop a meltdown before it spirals out of control? It usually starts with recognition and early intervention. Hand flapping, increased vocalizations, or sudden withdrawal. They are taught to identify these changes in the child's baseline behavior. Once the dog recognizes those early signs, they initiate trained behaviors to interrupt the mounting stress. One of the most effective techniques is called deep pressure therapy, or DPT. If a child is starting to panic, the dog will often lie across the child's lap or torso, or press their body firmly against the child. This sustained, gentle pressure has a profound physiological effect. It activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for the rest and digest response. It's light, a living weighted blanket, providing instant calming input that anchors the child back to the present moment. Beyond physical pressure, the dog provides something critical, a focal point. When a child is in the throes of sensory overload, the world feels chaotic and unpredictable. The presence of the dog provides a stable, predictable, and non-judgmental presence. Simply petting the dog, focusing on their soft fur, or feeling the warmth of their body offers tactile input that is soothing and grounding. This redirection of focus helps shift the child's attention away from the overwhelming stimuli and towards the dog, acting as a much-needed emotional release valve. Another common strategy is tethering. Many autistic children struggle with safety awareness, especially when distressed, and may bolt or run away, putting themselves in danger. Assistance dogs are often tethered to the child and trained to anchor firmly if the child tries to run. This not only keeps the child safe, but also reduces parental anxiety, which, in turn, creates a calmer environment for the child. Knowing the dog is there, acting as a reliable physical boundary, provides a deep sense of security for everyone involved. The positive ripple effects of these dogs extend far beyond just crisis management. Their presence reduces generalized anxiety throughout the day. Because the dog offers companionship and motivation, children often feel more confident tackling challenging situations, like going to a crowded store or attending a new social event. This gradual reduction in daily stress means fewer triggers, and therefore, fewer meltdowns overall. Let's also talk about the powerful social benefits. Therapy dogs act as a social bridge. It can sometimes be challenging for autistic children to initiate interactions with peers, but a friendly dog is an instant conversation starter. It gives children a common interest to share with others, fostering connections and reducing feelings of isolation. This boost in social confidence further contributes to a happier, less stressed state. Ultimately, these therapy dogs are true healers. They offer unconditional love, predictable responsiveness, and vital physiological input that medication or human intervention alone often cannot match. They transform chaos into calm, fear into safety, and isolation into companionship. They aren't just helping manage meltdowns, they are profoundly improving the quality of life for the child and the entire family unit. Let me know your thoughts and stories in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content dedicated to health, wellness, and the amazing connections that help us thrive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.